contest and traveled here from Corner Brook, is that right? Well, there you go. I think that deserves a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I've actually heard a bit about this artist, so it's my first time going to hear her, and I'm very impressed. At 15 years old, she decided to do an Iron and Wine song. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Emma Peckford.
Yeah, so I'm Emma, and this is my take on Flightless American Mech.